If you want to record your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max screen with audio, I show you how. So the first thing you need to do is swipe down here on the right top, then scroll up again, then long press on the empty space, click add a control. Now here you can see the screen recording option. If you doesn't see, click here and type screen. Then you can see the same option. Touch that. Now it will be added like this. Now tap and hold, move top and leave it here anywhere you would like. Then single tap on the empty space. Okay, now it's added. Okay, let's see how to record the screen. Just long press over the button and you can see microphone which was off right now. Just tap that. Now it's turned on. Now click starts recording. So here you can see the countdown. Okay, now it starts recording. You can see the red indication. It says your screen was recording right now with audio. Okay, if you want to turn it off, swipe down and again long press, stop. Okay, it's saved. Let's check that. Now it starts recording. You can see the red indication. That's it. It says yours. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.